My new Ayurveda miracle drink science is rejuvenation of the degenerated organs and reversing the health issues. For example, diabetes, chronic kidney disease, pancreatitis, disc bulge, liver cirrhosis, cardiovascular diseases, gastrointestinal diseases, etc. Now, how one can understand whether my science is really working or not? Because all these organs visibly you cannot be seen unless and until there is a biopsy and taking the studies on the cell and all. But now in chronic diseases, nobody will give such options. The best depiction to show that how my science is giving solutions in rejuvenation of the degenerated organs can be seen in gangrene patients, wherein in the world, when there is a diabetic ulcer, it will be immediately infected by the Clostridium perfringens. There is a bacteria which is growing in dead tissue. In such cases, there is no science in the world to kill the bacteria through antibiotics, rather going for amputation. The reason why is, in dead tissue, we cannot ensure the blood circulation system. So, through blood circulation system only, antibiotics can be pumped. That is the reason why we have to go for amputation in the current medical science. In my science, even in dead tissue also, there is a blood circulation system and ensuring healing of the wounds which were not possible in the conventional method. That you can see in these 4 cases which I am going to show. Number 1 case is Benedict. He had a high diabetes. Doctors advised to amputate the leg. Without amputation, he got healed. 16.4 HbA1c has become normal in 7 months. Second patient is Ramachandra. He had diabetic ulcer for 7 months plus, and in 1 month the entire diabetic ulcer got healed. Third patient name is Ratnakar, high diabetes patient. Doctors advised to remove the leg. Initially they have removed fingers. Thereafter they came to us, and in 1 month, you can't imagine, 50% of the wound has cleared. Fourth patient is Shiva Kumar. He is having multiple problems, diabetes, chronic kidney disease and open heart surgery. During open heart surgery for grafting, they have taken the blood vessels from the leg and grafted. That the place where they have removed that blood vessel, it has turned into gangrene. It was prevailed for almost 9 months. Absolutely, it has got healed. And in these 4 cases, you can understand that how my science is healing in the dead tissues and degenerated organs. So the same principle what I have told in other CKD problem, liver cirrhosis, pancreatitis, diabetes, organs are reversing. Thank you.